Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a workflow in ClickUp. So workflows help automate repetitive processes and standardize tasks. So first you will open your ClickUp, and once you're here, you will look for either automate or automations. So go ahead and click that, and then you will click create automation, or you can also add automation or custom automation. So it really depends on the terminology that your current version of ClickUp has. So go ahead and click either of those. So click create automation. And now, once you have your automation, what you will do is basically just choose a trigger. So let's say task, subtask, or task or subtask. So it really depends on you. Then after that, you will select an action. So it's either you can choose from this, or yeah, that's basically it. You will just have to choose from this list, and then after you've chosen your action, you will just have to save it, and then you will just have to either save or create. It really depends on the term that your version has. Then after saving, you can test the automation by changing the task status. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.